You know your house party was wild when the next morning the bathroom door is locked from the inside. Who did this? A guest, a ghost, one of those aunties hiding from the cleanup? Welcome back to She Can Fix Things, where the party is over but the problems are just beginning. First, I try the classic move: stick something sharp in the hole and hope the universe rewards you for it. I'm poking this thing like I'm trying to reboot it. The lock? Well, the lock said, "No, ma'am, I'm on PTO." No click, no movement, no success. Then I go for the credit card trick. You know, the hack people swear by? Yeah, that works only on movie doors, 1980s doorknobs, and then when influencers magically cut the footage. My door looked at my card and said, "Well, that gift card has already been used. Try another method." Sir, I didn't ask for financial advice. At this point, I have two options. Number one, call someone and spend $175. Number two, fix it myself for $0 and feel almighty. Guess which one the fixaholic chose? I just start unscrewing the lock like I'm in Mission Impossible. Of course, the inside mechanism immediately falls out. Like, "Hi, surprise, I'm broken." Me thinking, same energy, buddy. Same energy. Turns out the door wasn't really jammed. It was just drier than my patience during homework time. This latch just needed some grease, love, and emotional support. So I grab my lithium grease, right? Easy, simple, responsible. I point the straw directly at the latch and I squeeze. And it shoots straight into my eye like a sniper. My eye went, "Ma'am, excuse me?" I look like a raccoon doing smoky eye tutorial.
Take the dark charcoal shade and blend it outwards from the lash line.
Anyway, after having a brief moment of complete and utter panic, I rinse my eyeball off and I've regained custody of my dignity and a little bit of my eyesight. I grease the latch, clean it up, put everything back together, and suddenly the door opens smoother than my mood after a nap. Victory! Peace! Bathroom access restored. And that, my friends, is how you fix a bathroom door after your party guests try to ruin your life. Save money, fix things, avoid getting grease in your eyeballs, and remember, if she can fix things, so can you. Like, subscribe, and join the Fixaholic fam.